Today this speech is on a persuasive speech on animal testing. This is to persuade my audience that testing products and household chemicals on animals is bad and should be excluded. In 2023, statistics showed by Forbes that 66% of households, or 86.9 million homes, own pets in America. I would say that most people have a very soft place for animals. I know I do. But most animals have feelings and deserve the same treatment and respect that we give to humans. This speech is to persuade you that testing products on animals needs to be stopped. Most animal testing is performed on rabbits, mice, guinea pigs, rats, and many more, such as dogs and cats. Animal testing is conducted for many companies to test their products to see what side effects they can conclude from the experiments. And in this speech, we'll go over why animal testing needs to be excluded and banned from most countries, and more details on how it is performed and alternatives to animal testing. In the past, I have worked for many vet hospitals. I have worked for many doctors who take much pride in their work and making sure that the new products that are coming in have good credibility and won't affect any animal in a negative way. The significance of this topic is the fact that so many animals undergo pain and suffering when they are tested, and there are many alternatives and other ways to test products and not just having them undergo experiments by scientists. You should listen to this speech and take into consideration that many animals should be subject to testing, and buying animal cruelty products or animal cruelty-free products is a better route to go. Starting off, most testing that is performed on animals is makeup, shampoo, conditioners, household chemicals, and many more. Animals undergo things such as skin and eye irritation testing. And these type of testings consist of rats getting part of their skin shaved off and the chemicals dropped onto the skin to see if they have a reaction, or rabbits being constricted down to see if the drops that are tested in their eyes will cause eye irritations. They say that most rabbits' eyes are big and they can basically mimic a human's eye. Most of these animals are receiving treatment undergo pain with no pain treatment or any pain medicine to stop what the pain that they are feeling. This is putting animals under pain that they're not knowing the outcomes of the effect of what they might go through. Most of these animals who are receiving treatment in 2019, 797,546 animals were experimented and tested on just in the United States alone. Cosmetic testing can consist of lethal doses by forcing rats a lethal dose and measuring doses given at a lethal rate to see when death occurs in the animals. No American company is required or forced to test these products on animals unless they are selling them in China, where it is expected and required to have them tested. By testing animals with products to see a chemical reaction, this is considered in many ways animal cruelty. The second point of this is animal testing is also ineffective. It has been proven in many drug-related testings and pharmaceuticals that 92% of drugs that are found safe in animal testing are not safe in humans. Another example is that many scientists have cured cancer in mice for many years, but it has never been successful in humans. Why is that? Maybe because animal anatomy is a lot different from human anatomy. Another thing would be the cost aspect of animal testing. There are many cost-efficient ways to test products and pharmaceutical drugs without having to use animals to do it. Secondly, the European Union banned animal testing for finished products in 2004 and for single ingredient products in 2009. If countries have already banned this method, then the cons are outweighing the good. The United States does not have a law on animal testing, but it has been banned in these states: Virginia, Maryland, California, Illinois, and Nevada. What are the alternatives to animal testing? Non-animal test. This is a modern-day test that will mimic animal testing but will not put animals at risk or undergoing extreme testing. In 1957, Charles Hume and William Russell, who worked with the University's Federation for Animal Welfare's, or the UFAW, came up with the 3 R's method, which means reduction, refinement, and replacement. In depth, this means that the reduction in terms of the animals who were used in the experiment, refining the experiment to where the animals will not undergo pain, such as using pain medication, and And lastly, the animal should be replaced with other methods. Many ideas have been talked about when it comes to replacing animal testing, such as computer methods, which is softwares and certain systems. It can be possible to set outcomes with certain products. Cells and tissue cultures can be used to mimic skin reactions without having to use live animal skin to do so. And these are also more cost-efficient choices. With that being said, animal testing needs to be looked at not just for the companies being able to make a easier or quicker experiment, or animal testing can be painful and that uses animals to test our products such as drugs, chemicals, and household cosmetics and household chemicals. Since some studies have shown that humans can react to certain medicines and cosmetics differently to animals, these testing methods are being proven ineffective. And to recap, there are more cost-efficient ways to this method. Animals are living organisms that live in our world. With that being said, I hope this shines light on what scientists in these tests are putting innocent animals at risk too, and that many other procedures, and that these are many procedures that cause death amongst animal populations for careless testing that could be done other ways. I couldn't imagine my animals or neighborhood animals to be taken in and have these invasive tests performed on them. Please, next time, the ladies who are shopping for makeup or the men who are buying cleaning supplies, look at the labels to see if animal testing was used or if it was animal cruelty free. These small ways make a difference, and